And good morning, or good afternoon, actually, everyone. This is a review of our Nature's Generator power station. It's a 1800 watt power station that is currently running off of solar and generates 720 watt hours of output, and we've been very happy with this. This is a sealed AGM unit. It's not a lithium, but we've been very happy with this Nature's Generator. Give you an idea of what all we got running on it. I'll scoot up a little bit. We've got 1, 2, 3 110 plugs. This is the input plug coming off of the solar panel outside. This is obviously a charging for the phone charging unit. Now we being my wife and I, we've been doing solar for about 6 years, and this was really our first true foray into power stations. When we got started with solar, it was all batteries, and you got to go buy wire, and then you got to cut the wire, and then you got to try to put a lug on it and crimp it down where it's going to be safe and secure, and so on and so forth. And that's what we've done up to now. Give you an idea of what we currently run, and we're very happy with what we're currently running. We've got a on our main circuit, we've got a SunGold all-in-one. That is just cranking out, no problem at all. Now it's driving 8 12-volt 100 amp hour batteries that are configured in 2 banks of 4, and each bank within itself is wired in series, so that you're ending up with each bank being 48 volts and 100 amp hours. The 2 banks are then wired together in parallel in order to increase the amp hours. So we have 48 volts, 200 amp hours of battery capacity, and that powers this SunGold all-in-one 3000 watt inverter controller. Now, we're very happy with SunGold Power. We'll probably end up getting a much bigger unit down the line, because that's what my wife wants. She wants a bigger unit that will power it even on overcast days, which is the only drawback of solar, is that if you have a few overcast days. But I know that there's a lot of people who do reviews of the units as they take them right out of the box, and they're all shiny and new. Well, we've had this for several months now, and so I thought I would do a review of this Nature's Generator 1800 watt AGM batteries, to give you an idea of what's working, and it's currently working right now, this being Monday the 18th of May in 2026, and it's running and powering this whole desk area, printer, microwave, laptop, phone, and then some. So, and with that, I want to thank everyone very much for everything. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm sure I will get smoother and better as more reviews come in. So, hope everyone has a blessed day.